Oh God! I have to show people about the new website that I made for my new application that I'm making. It's completely altruistic and I have no financial incentive. And also, I'm not really like a developer, and I'm sick and tired of coding this with AI, and I still want. She has to vacuum every single time. I'm living here for free, and I'm grateful that my mom has given me a room to stay in, and that's the reason I'm not homeless. Daily affirmation. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to YouTube. What I was doing just there was I was acting. I knew that I was being filmed the whole time. I was simply just trying to make a joke. Today we have big news. I just finished the first build of my website, and it's pretty fun. It's a little funny. It's a little cheeky. And this is just a video telling you to go check it out and showing you the fun features of my new website. You're looking at the proud owner of the domain Offbook.ca. I bought it on GoDaddy.com, which is the worst name for a website for buying websites that I've ever heard. Website buyer, buywebsite.site, buywebsite.gov. All these are better names than GoDaddy, but I digress. What I want to tell you today is this is my new website. If you type in your browser right this minute, check what minute it is. That minute's okay to type this in. Offbook.ca. Boom! Here we are. My brand new star-spangled site, Offbook.ca. Here's the sections: about, features, where we're at, videos, pricing, download, support us, and contact. We have everything that a guy could ever need on his website. So we have here our tagline, acting without distracting. And then we have here about. Offbook is an all-in-one tool for performers to organize, rehearse, and publish their performance without ever leaving the app. A tool to make performers feel like a craftsman. Digital software for me is very, very important. I feel like the tools that you use become an extension of your personality and how good you feel, and the fact that you are an artist and you're a craftsperson. With digital software, there's a tendency to sell it to you as a service. I'm really not interested in that model because I feel like when it's a service, it doesn't feel like it's yours. It doesn't feel like it can be an extension of your person. You're being licensed like the temporary use of a product, and that is subject to change. And imagine you had a hammer and you're like, okay, I'm good at hammering nails, but then you go to sleep and you wake up and there has been a software patch overnight for your hammer, and now it's a 90-degree angle and you have to kind of pluck away at this. A tool like this can give performers the feeling that they are getting better at their tool, getting better at their craft, and they have something that is an extension of themselves. So that's why I put that there on my website. Here's a feature of my new site is the features tab. It'll automatically just cycle through and show you cool features of the app. But if you can go in, you can read them all. Guys, I put a couple silly things in here, so if you want to go see some silly, funny stuff, go to the features tab of my new website. Okay, so now we have where we're at. In here, I'm just gonna put little developer updates about where I'm at with this site. So if you want to come and check out how the app is doing, come and look at the where we're at section of my site. Okay, next section, videos. This is just gonna show all the videos that I post on this channel to this site. This video is going to be on this site. Total inception moment. Is your mind blown or what? Effing. I'm not swearing anymore. Answer right. Answer here. Which one is it, kid? Is it this one or is it this one? Choose wisely. Choose wisely. Okay, and here's the pricing. This is a little tongue-in-cheek. This is to kind of poke fun at other apps to say, hey guys, we're listening. And this is what we think. It just says the free, which is just as free. I'm not, you know what? Go and read it. How about that? Pause, read it. I'm not gonna say it out loud to you. I'm not gonna baby you. I'm not gonna hold your hand is what we're not gonna do. Okay. This is the download page, which doesn't have anything right now because the app is broken. It's a broken app. It doesn't work. Hit my line if you want to help me to get this up and running. I honestly can't imagine it's going to be that far until we have a first build of the app. Oh, I want to update you guys on how I'm feeling about the pricing model. I feel like there is a day when I sell the app, and I'm not totally sure about leaving it open source. I want to look into it a lot more. I really would love if people could tinker with the app if they want to. I find that really fun. Even though I don't usually do that with software, I find the option of it really exciting. So I'm gonna try to preserve open source, but I'm realizing if I want to do this, I want to pay developers. I'm starting to think of maybe it's like a pipe dream that I could just get a bunch of passionate people to come in and work on the app with me. And I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm gonna try it for as long as I can, but doing this alone is gonna be quite a challenge. So yeah, that's where my head's at right now. I would love to keep it open source, but I would also love to keep it running, and I want to keep it as an accessible tool for everyone to use. You can mark my words that you'll never have to pay for a subscription. You'll never have to, you know. I was thinking of putting like, you can buy extra icons for it. Little cute stuff like that, where the point is mostly just to support me. It's not to buy the icon. It's just to support the development of a thing that you really like. And I was thinking like, even for the icons, you can still go and add your own icon from just a PNG. Stupid stuff that down the line could be really good. Also, I just want to say that all the stuff that I say in this video and a lot of the stuff on the site is all subject to change. I'm throwing a lot of shit at the wall, seeing what sticks. So take that for what you will, and let's move on to the next feature. Support us. I might eventually have here a donation page. I was thinking of doing a Patreon or a Kickstarter, but I personally don't find anything sadder than seeing a failed Kickstarter or a failed Patreon. So I'm gonna wait till down the line when there's more people involved and interested in this than literally just me and select few of my friends to do a Patreon, but that's there. Get in touch. This one, I just have an email here. What I really wanna hear is if people are, first of all, interested in using something like this. I wanna know what features that you've heard about that excite you, because this is very early and stuff I hear now will help me to know the trajectory of what I'm doing, and any feedback is awesome. I'm a big feedback fan. That's all I have so far, you guys. But yeah, there's just a little update. I hope you're having a good Saturday, November 22nd, 7:07 p.m. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I hope I have a great rest of my day, but the odds are looking grim. Today sucks. I'm joking. It's a good day. I made this site all today using the power of AI. Roll the credits while I'm talking. This stuff is not important. A very powerful tool. AI is very powerful, and in the future it could take over us. Robots could take over someday. Robots could take over today. If they could, but they can't. What was that song by Shakira? Lole, lole, lole. That's Shakira. I'm pretty sure that's Shakira. I'm 98% certain that's Shakira. Shaquille O'Neal. Shakira O'Neal. What if they had a baby together? I believe that baby. Honestly, they probably worked well. Now that I'm thinking of them, I mean, I don't know both of them well, but I'm getting an intuitive sense that they would really get along. Guys, Google if they've ever met up and tell me if they got along in the comments, because I feel like they really would. And then use the hashtag Shakira O'Neal. Okay, I'm gonna end the video now.